Tomac is buried in the pack. He's about 12th or 13th right now. Bad start. Ryder goes down the first turn. He gets behind him. Stuck. He's double the rhythm section, losing position.
Well, looking good, Blake Baggett. An incredible outdoor season, showing how hard he's been working, how much he's done. Blake Baggett, number 4, out front. Jason Anderson, right behind him. Cole Seeley in the mix. Your top 3. And number 6, Jeremy Martin out of Carlsbad, California. Dan Wilson gets right past Jeremy Martin, who takes his front wheel into the Monster top block at the top of the Monster Energy berm. He's back in, he's okay, but that cost him a ton of smiles.
Oh, it could cost first place. Anderson on the move on Blake Baggett right now. The 20 Rockstar Energy, he's made the move. He's alongside El Chupacabra. Is he going to make it happen? He does. Anderson's out front now, but will he hold them all? And look at that, the 14 is Seeley pulls the trigger. Yeah! Talk about a photo opportunity. And he gets it. Seeley makes the move. Gets around Jason Anderson, and he comes right back over the finish line. Do not count Jason Anderson out. However, coming through, he makes the pass down low. Look at this. And look at Baggett. He tried to make the move right there, but it's free to run. These guys are totally
This is what the crowd came to see right here, a 3-rider battle. And if you look in the past, these guys have no love lost for each other. This thing is not over.
Talked about Tomac way back in the field right now. Looks like he's back in 5th place, working on the 55 Vince Greasy on the Motocross Smart Top Machine.
Yeah, Eli Tomac made some good moves there. I watched him the first 2 laps. He made smart passes. He's up to 5th.
Seeley went down, caution flags are out. Dan, what'd you see?
Cole Seeley went down, he is back up, but of course he has lost it to the lead to Jason Anderson. Blake Baggett in 2nd, and Eli Tomac has taken advantage. He's all the way up into 3rd. He was your fastest qualifier out of round 1 earlier, but right now he is trying to make his way up to Blake Baggett to get the pass for 2nd. It might take a minute. Dean Wilson looks like he is had a fall, he's okay, but the Alpine Stars medical crew are going to look at him, make sure he's good to go, and take some time off.
And look at that, Tomac on the Monster Energy Kawasaki, now up to 3rd, Blake Baggett 2nd, and the 21 of Anderson starting to get a little room in between him and Baggett, and I don't think he's count Baggett out. I don't think he's letting him flip. He might be just waiting for his opportunity.
You cannot count Baggett out. There's been a great buzz about him, the outdoors, everything that's going on in prep for this event. Blake Baggett has been working exceedingly hard prior to A1. Jason Anderson delivering some of the most exciting racing. You remember last year in Las Vegas in the finals, Jason Anderson lighting it up, not feeling any of the pressure that some of those other riders are feeling to bring home the championship, and it really paid off. And it doesn't look like he's feeling a lot of pressure out here right now.
And you have to remember, he has been an opening round winner before with Monster Energy Supercross.
Here he comes over the Thor triple. Again, this turn has been tricky for a lot of riders earlier in qualifying today. A lot of people going down in that monster turn right there. Cole Seeley back up in 4th spot. The 55 of Vince Greasy right in there. 907, Ben LeMay. Chad Reed, 22, coming around through the loop section. A lot of Chad Reed fans out here. And look at Chad Reed. Cole Seeley trying to catch up to Tomac, but that is a big gap right there between Cole Seeley and Eli Tomac.
Right now, it looks like the number 6, Geico Honda, Jeremy Martin, trying to work by the 7 double deuce of Adignap, making his way around, trying to get to that qualifying position. So right now, the 6 is out of contention now, but he could get that job done shortly.
Yeah, he's right behind. He's got to be out. Actually, no, he just got it. Jeremy Martin finds himself now at night. He's in a qualifying position. Slightly over Adignap, enough to be able to take his own lines and focus forward.
Well, here comes Eli Tomac, putting a lot of pressure on Blake Baggett as they cross the finish line. Keep an eye on him. Again, if you're new to the Supercross, we'll talk you through it, let you know where the action is at. We'll see him through the move section.
Blake Baggett's teammate, Benny Bloss, he's able to get by the 22 of Chad Green. That's going to move him up one in position, who was already in qualifying position. That's going to put him in 7th.
Lurch, and I'm telling you, I saw him in the first turn. He was dead last, went down right there in that very first turn. That's Benny Bloss, number 16. Pretty good ride.
Well, hey team, you guys know I love numbers. Fastest rider on the last lap looks like Eli Tomac, 52.721. So there's that pressure, and we have the numbers to prove it for Monster Energy.
Here comes Tomac. Tomac, the 4 would have been numerically correct. So the Monster Energy Kawasaki's going to get the move up into 2nd. Still got the 21. Rockstar Energy has part of ride of Anderson to get by. He wants to take the win in heat number 1.
That is true, Lurch. If you take that 21 and put 1, 2, put it backwards, then we got the 3, then the 4. Now, they made it over the finish line before the clock ran out. So we get an extra lap out of here. When they come back the next time past the finish line, you'll see that white flag fly, and that will be the final lap. Benny Bloss moving up from 7th in his 6th spot. Dakota Tenner moving up to 11th, trying to crack the top 10. If he can do it, it could be huge.
You know, you really look at it, Eli Tomac, a great run right there from the position he was in to where he is now in 2nd, and he is still, Daniel, bearing down at the 21.
Well, what I like to see is Eli Tomac get put in a tough position and fight through. And if you think about it, for the night's main event, he's had the chance now to pass his way. Benny Bloss is down after the 2nd corner. The white flag is out, but Eli Tomac has now gone through most of his field. So going into the main event, he's seen this track from behind the riders. He's found the lines to pass. He can use that later tonight in the main event.
Dan, what's the fastest lap from Eli Tomac? This is the fastest one of the night.
Eli does have the best lap of the night so far here in this heat, 52.721. Slowed down a little bit the last lap, but that is so far the fastest lap here.